Hi, Milorad here. I am in my kitchen. First thing I'm going to do is I need to peel the skin of these tomatoes. And because the skin of tomato is kind of very difficult to eat and it's not really digestible, and that's why I need to take it off. And I will take off this skin with two ways. And one way will be, I have this boiled water, and put some of these tomatoes in the boiled water. Okay, first we need to kind of score these tomatoes. I have this little paring knife and I will just score tomatoes, and it will be easier to peel. Now you can come close. And it doesn't matter that I'm kind of scoring pretty deep, because we will cook these tomatoes anyway. Okay. And I will actually do some tests how to peel tomatoes. There's very different ways to do it. First way that we're going to show is put very hot water over tomatoes, and I will do this right now. Completely submerged. And the second one is, okay, now let's see if this method is any better or worse or the same. Okay, let me leave them in this cold water for a minute or two. Okay, I think I have it here for a minute or maybe 2 minutes, and now I'm ready to move them into this ice water. And why are we doing that ice water bath? It's nothing but to be able actually to hold these tomatoes. Otherwise they are too hot and you cannot hold them. Okay, now let's see. Look at that. Look at that. Skin is peeling off easily. Look at that. It's completely off, and I will just cut this from tomato, slice them couple and put them in this bowl. That was Roma tomato. Now let's see how it goes with tomato on the vine. Same, very, very easy. Very easy to peel. Okay. This one too. Okay. Okay, you see, this one is not that easy because this one was not kind of ripe enough, but still You just need a little bit more time, and I will peel it for sure. Yeah, I can. Okay, here it's also very easy to peel. Okay, maybe even easier. Maybe because we kind of blanched them maybe a little bit longer. Okay, that was tomato on the vine, and same thing with aroma. Pretty easy to peel. Okay, just to take bottom out. Okay. Actually, it doesn't matter what kind of method you're using. It's easy to peel tomatoes just using hot water, or blanch them. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Milorad out.